Welcome back. In today's video, we're unveiling 50 banned gadgets you can still buy on Amazon in 2025. From high-tech surveillance tools to mind-bending inventions, discover the gadgets too controversial for the mainstream, yet thriving in the corners of the digital marketplace. Join us on a thrilling journey through Amazon's secret aisles where innovation defies restriction, and the future of tech is locked behind closed doors. Ready to dive in? Let's expose the forbidden. Imagining a drone that can fire sensors to gather data in remote locations is akin to the Nano 33 BLE Sense Darts. This drone, which weighs only 23 ounces, is capable of firing up to 17 sensors, making it a valuable tool for monitoring hazardous environments, investigating dense jungles, or inspecting equipment. Although not entirely precise, the projectiles offer dependable data collection from a distance of up to 13 feet. This digital voice changer handheld device enables you to modify your voice for the purpose of privacy or entertainment. It is ideal for anonymous chats, online games, or phone calls, as it offers 4 distinct vocal options: male, female, child, and deep. With an audio conversion cable, the diminutive, portable device is effortlessly connected to your computer or smartphone. This voice modulator introduces a practical and playful element to conversations, whether you require to conceal your voice or simply wish to have some fun. With the use of artificial intelligence, Punagachi is able to hack WPA keys and save the resulting data for later use. It uses sophisticated algorithms to get past regular security measures, and it's powered by a Raspberry Pi Zero-W. Ethical hackers looking to improve their cybersecurity expertise and discover new network vulnerabilities will find this learning-focused tool to be a great companion. With Smart Window Tint, you may shield your vehicle from harmful ultraviolet rays, reduce interior temperature, and block out nosy passers-by. There will be less glare, less damage to interiors, and better visibility as a result. Different varieties, including dyed, ceramic, metallized, and hybrid varieties, offer different advantages. For example, ceramic tints offer both practicality and style by providing excellent heat and UV protection. The convenience of keyless entry is responsible for the theft or burglary of nearly 2,000 vehicles in the United States each day. Car key grabbers are devices that intercept signals from key fobs, enabling thieves to activate and start vehicles without ever touching the keys. Make certain that no one is using one in the vicinity when you are unlocking your vehicle, as these grabbers can be readily acquired online and can be used to circumvent the car's security system. Protect 1206i is an indispensable instrument for individuals who prioritize their personal security. This portable bug and eavesdropping device detector is intended to detect concealed surveillance equipment, such as cameras and bugs. With a silent mode for discrete checks and a straightforward user-friendly interface, it is capable of detecting a variety of signals, including Bluetooth, GSM, and Wi-Fi. It operates for 20 hours on a mere 2 batteries, providing individuals who are apprehensive about privacy intrusions a sense of tranquility. The Mission Darkness Non-Window. The Faraday Bag is an essential tool for those concerned about their digital privacy. This bag is made from military-grade ballistic nylon, which disrupts signals like GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and RFID, thereby preventing the tracking or hacking of electronics within. It is crucial for digital forensics experts, privacy-aware individuals, or anyone aiming to protect their personal information from illegal access. This solution is both economical and pragmatic for safeguarding your gadgets, available for just $23. The Electric Stunner Model Ring is a self-defense implement that is both powerful and discreet. This ring, which is constructed from a durable ABS polymer, rapidly incapacitates an assailant by delivering an electrical shock of up to 2 million volts. This device is intended to induce transient disorientation and muscle spasms, regardless of whether the threat is human or animal. It is a convenient and effective personal protection option that seamlessly integrates into daily life, as it is both rechargeable and user-friendly. Featuring noise reduction, this little digital camera captures high-definition video. Thanks to its integrated stabilization and 180-degree rotation, it captures film with a smooth quality. Ideal for storing media files, documents, and images, it also functions as a flash drive. Its small size and high performance are both made possible by its USB plug-and-play compatibility, which makes it incredibly user-friendly. The Doat Watch D-Stike is a distinctive timepiece that provides a plethora of features beyond mere timekeeping. It is capable of evaluating the security of Wi-Fi networks by simulating hacker attacks. This device is a valuable resource for individuals who are interested in cybersecurity, as it has the capability to identify open Wi-Fi nodes and simulate an attack on specific networks. It is a functional device that is suitable for both security professionals and tech enthusiasts. The height of mobility and utility are found in Keychain swords. These little knives are easy to carry with daily use since they come in many designs and are firmly attached to a keychain. Whether your regular tasks or an emergency call for a sharp blade, these folding knives are small, strong, and ready for action. They are perfect for those who need a constantly available cutting tool with high-quality locking mechanisms. Hidden camera clocks are the last surveillance tool for covert observation. Although they are meant to look like traditional watches, they have high-resolution cameras that let medium-sized rooms record audio and video. Their built-in microphone and wide-angle lens helps them to capture every detail, even in low light. Since the camera is driven by a detachable SD card that enables storage, it is perfect for office or house security. Be safe without drawing notice. With its small size and convenient flipping function, this tool is perfect for discreetly storing your ID or credit card. It protects your privacy and lessens the likelihood of identity theft with its compact and stylish appearance. It is perfect for everyday usage or vacation because it is durable and portable, allowing you to keep your things hidden yet close at hand. An intelligent method for protecting cards. Sleek design and cutting-edge technology come together in the Tokyo Flash radioactive watch. It doesn't require charging because its tritium gas power makes it sparkle brilliantly in the dark. Its modern eye-catching design is both low-maintenance and technologically advanced, thanks to its digital display and long-lasting materials. This watch is sure to make you stand out, and it's perfect for collectors and techies. Remove the security tags that come on new products with the help of this practical Gadget Chum. It may not be compatible with more complex tags, but it does fix some little problems. Before trying to remove the tags, be sure they are legitimately obtained stuff to avoid any problems. The Yellow Jacket Stun Gun iPhone case is a versatile self-defense implement. It offers a secure and convenient method of self-defense by integrating the functionality of a durable iPhone case with the force of a stun pistol. The dual trigger system guarantees effortless operation, while the stun pistol generates an intense electric shock. Water-resistant and shock-proof, it also extends the battery life of your phone by providing an additional 20 hours of standby time. Ensure your safety with this comprehensive protection solution. The Spy Bolt is a concealed stowage solution that is both effective and unassuming. It is actually a cleverly concealed container for storing money, documents, or other valuable objects, resembling an ordinary bolt. It offers a secure method of concealing critical information, as it is waterproof and weighs approximately 5.3 ounces. For approximately $30, the Spy Bolt guarantees that your valuables remain concealed and secure, whether you are seeking to store emergency, currency, or sensitive documents. The Hindsight spectacles are meant to extend your range of view and give you an angle on the space behind you. Their unique form and slightly enlarged lenses help to enhance peripheral vision, so allowing you to see normally undetectable items. At just 1.2 ounces in weight, these spectacles are lightweight and comfortable. They are a perfect device for hunters, bikers, or anyone who needs to keep their hands free while raising their awareness of their surroundings. Through the use of ultrasonic interference, this device makes it impossible to record phone conversations. Its built-in microphone blocker makes it easy to use for safe phone calls. Reliable protection against modern recording technologies and compatibility with single or many devices make it a vital tool for secret meetings. Motorcycles can be easily identified by their distinctively altered exhaust systems, which, when revved to high RPMs, produce flashes of flame. A favorite among those who enjoy custom bikes, this feature gives rides a unique flair. To avoid any risks or legal concerns, it is vital to establish safety and compliance with local legislation before installation. Vehicle emergency lights are red and blue LED signals that flash rapidly and are quite visible. They are tiny and easy to use. Using the suction cups, they adhere to windshields. To make sure you're seen and safe in an emergency, these strobe lights look like official signals, making them ideal for use at the side of the road. An exceptionally long-lasting and manageable stream of controlled flames is at your disposal with the XL Flamethrower. Its sturdy construction makes it perfect for clearing brush, doing controlled fires, or setting up outdoor exhibitions. This gadget is perfect for both work and play because to its adjustable flames and trigger lock safety function. This tie clip camera is both fashionable and effective, allowing you to capture films with a concealed 480 pixel resolution. The understated style goes well with any outfit, making it ideal for recording or surveillance. It provides dependable performance without drawing attention, making it an ideal tool for professionals who require undetected recording capabilities. The spy glasses from Mitsu let one covertly capture footage while moving. Because they record in 10-minute chunks at 1920 by 1080 quality and 30 frames per second, these spectacles are excellent for monitoring. Their short 50-minute charge time and lightweight design, weighing only 1.2 ounces, help them to be also comfortable to wear. This eyewear is suitable for both personal and professional use and offers a hidden means of viewing your surroundings. The Pulsefire is a portable flamethrower that is both compact and powerful. This device, which is diminutive in size, employs arc ignition to propel flames up to 25 feet when a trigger is pulled. This is your go-to tool for powerful fire, whether you are clearing brush, beginning bonfires, or managing beehives. With 2 fuel canister options and interchangeable nozzles, the Pulsefire is an essential item for outdoor and home enthusiasts, as it provides long-lasting, versatile flame power. A radio module allows the Flipper Zero to manipulate signals, and it is also a multifunctional hacking tool. It has the ability to open magnetic locks, make copies of access cards, and manage smart home gadgets. The built-in LCD screen and joystick provide autonomous functionality, while the open-source software permits unlimited upgrades. As a result, it is a strong tool for tech explorers. This jammer is designed to fit in with high-end car interiors, looking like a regular onboard computer and smoothly merging into dashboards. Thanks to its cutting-edge optical components, it protects drivers from speed traps and keeps everything running smoothly, providing elegance and clever functionality. It is the perfect choice where it is legal, and it is also a covert companion for avoiding tickets. The Tycam 90 thermal imager is an indispensable tool for both professionals and enthusiasts. It weighs only 7.4 ounces and capable of detecting heat signatures from a distance of up to 1,151 feet. It provides a digital magnification, quality imagery with XTI technology, and a 40-degree viewing angle. It is optimal for tactical missions or night operations, as it can be readily attached to helmets for hands-free operation, and it boasts a battery life of up to 4 hours. Ideal for outdoor activities, security, or surveillance. The PVA Stickshot is a distinctive defense product that utilizes nitrogen to propel PVA powder at high velocities, enabling it to travel up to 50 feet. In contrast to other defense devices, it is more effective in numerous scenarios due to its ability to administer a potent, non-lethal deterrent at extended ranges. The device is equipped with a live PVA tube, a trainer capsule, and a removable launch tube, which allows for versatility in both real-world defense scenarios and practice. In extreme situations, the TIHK-HK2 handcuff key is a compact and intelligent implement that is intended for self-defense. It is diminutive, measuring only 0.8 inches in length, and can be concealed anywhere on the body, thereby facilitating your escape from restraints. It is immensely effective due to its simplicity and its near-silent operation when dropped, as it is constructed from durable nylon. This device is optimal for individuals who desire to preserve their autonomy, regardless of whether they are confronted with a restraint situation. It is priced at $12. The PocketChip is a diminutive Linux computer that is propelled by a battery and has significant potential. It is ideal for electronics enthusiasts as it boasts a full-sized USB connector and a 4.3-inch screen. Despite weighing only 10 ounces, it operates on genuine Linux, which offers an infinite number of opportunities for experimentation and development. The PocketChip also incorporates the renowned Pico 8 fantasy console, which enables users to develop and modify games, providing a practical introduction to game design and coding for aspiring programmers. The Multipick Kronos lockpick gun is an innovative instrument for those who need to unlock mechanisms rapidly and discreetly. This is the most advanced and silent electronic lockpick available, created and produced in Germany. It adeptly operates 4, 5, and 6-pin cylinder locks, owing to its powerful motor. This gadget is ideal for professionals needing discreet lock opening capabilities, as it is both intuitive and portable. This renders it an efficient solution in emergencies. The Skylot T116 ascender is a high-performance device that is engineered to provide a swift and secure ascent to significant altitudes. This power ascender is capable of lifting a maximum of 331 pounds at a velocity of 328 feet per minute, regardless of whether it is employed in military or construction operations. It guarantees safety and efficiency through its compact, water-resistant design and one-handed operation. For an even greater lifting capacity, an enhanced model can accommodate up to 882 pounds, providing unparalleled speed and versatility in vertical ascents. The Swan High Power Blue Pointer is a laser pointer that is specifically engineered for high-impact applications, including stage illumination, hunting, and long-distance signaling. This formidable apparatus is capable of crossing distances of 5 to 6 miles and is sufficient. If you have ever been apprehensive about the possibility of the data on your old hard drive being recovered, the USB Destruct Hard Drive Eraser is the ideal solution. This device guarantees the complete and permanent destruction of your files, in contrast to a basic factory reset. The product is of military-grade quality, ensuring that sensitive data is permanently erased from your computer, thereby preventing its recovery. This provides peace of mind, ideal for individuals who wish to safeguard their privacy when disposing of or selling outdated devices. The SRTYH listening device is ideal for construction and repair duties, but it can also be used for other innovative purposes. It is intended to measure wood and identify pipeline breaches. However, it is equipped with high-quality headphones that enable users to listen through walls, windows, and armored panels. The device's metal probe improves its sound detection capabilities, and its compact and portable design, which includes lithium batteries, render it a versatile tool for identifying concealed disturbances in a variety of settings. A GSM Jammer is an electronic device that can easily suppress the signals of any mobile phone, GPS devices, and other wireless communication tools. It produces white noise, which obstructs the transmission or reception of signals within a specific region. This device provides a dependable solution for blocking unsolicited communication at a secure location or testing network security. Effective for self-defense, Kimber's Pepper Blaster 2 can blast a powerful pepper solution up to 13 feet. 3 times more strong than conventional pepper spray, it renders assailants unconscious in seconds, severely irritates the eyes and respiratory system. Designed to be user-friendly, this non-lethal defense choice offers protection without the hassle of aerosol release. Perfect for those looking for a quick self-defense weapon that is both small and efficient. When anonymity is absolutely vital, the magnetic micro earpiece is the perfect clandestine communication tool. This technology consists of a small earpiece and a wirelessly transmitting intermediary device from your phone to the earpiece. Whether it's during covert meetings or tests, this small gadget lets you gather information without anyone knowing. The earpiece is inconspicuous, which makes it ideal for circumstances when one needs to stay invisible. The Creative XP Night Vision goggles provide first-rate, high-definition viewing even in total darkness. These binoculars, with a 1,640-foot viewing distance, are excellent for hunting, spying, and viewing of wildlife. They can take high-quality photographs and movies and offer a 2.3-inch TFT screen for simple reading. Designed to withstand severe weather and allow up to 4 hours of continuous use on one charge, these goggles are a dependable tool for outdoor activities and security operations. The Cyclone boot knife, a premium lightweight self-defense tool, is best used concealed carry. Made from 420 HC stainless steel with a ceramic coating, this knife resists reflection and promises longevity. The 3.3-inch blade is conveniently reachable when needed, and the rubberized grip guarantees a strong, non-slip hold. Designed to track your loved ones or personal items, the Mini GPS Tracker is a small portable tool. Apart from historical surveillance, it uses advanced satellite technologies to provide real-time location updates. Whether you are monitoring a vehicle, a friend, or sensitive equipment, this gadget offers exact position data available from your phone, tablet, or computer. Since it's small enough to fit in your pocket, it's the height of covert tracking. Students who need covert help during tests would find the cheating watch to be perfect. This smartwatch shows the data at a particular angle, therefore assuring that the wearer only sees it. It offers up to 4 GB of RAM, enough to help you load mini cheat sheets for every one of your lectures. Thanks to its simple design and 10-hour battery life, this gadget is the perfect tool for anyone who needs more help under pressure. Which technology in this video do you like the most? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching.